I'm going to give you the secret to the easiest planter I have ever made. Stick around. Head to your local garden center and get 8 corner pavers. They have notches on all 4 sides. It's also helpful if you have a really cute assistant. This is Rosie. You want to grab 3 2x12x8s if you want your planter 8 foot long. I plan on making mine 8x4. You will have to cut one of the boards in half. That way you have a total of 2 8-foot boards and then 2 4-foot boards. Next, you want to seal your wood with some type of oil. I chose to use boiled linseed oil. I applied 3 coats to the top, bottom, sides, and ends to make sure that I got really good coverage so the wood wouldn't rot. And now is assembly time. You want to stack the corner pavers on top of each other in each of the 4 corners and then place the wood in each of the notches. That way there is no screws. It is easy to put together and take down. I decided to use biodegradable burlap to line the bottom of my planter instead of cardboard because cardboard has been known to leach chemicals into the soil. I purchased a cubic yard of planting soil from our local garden center. It is much cheaper than buying the bags of it from Lowe's or Home Depot, and it's a better mix. Grab your amazing dad like I did, or grab an amazing friend to help you spread the soil. It goes a lot quicker and it's a lot easier with 2 people. And that's it. Before you know it, this garden bed will be teeming with different vegetables, and I cannot wait. Have fun and see you next time.